this amazing recipe called zucchini chips.
Loukifaki tiganita in Greek. This is kind of like a Greek tempura, a nice flour mix. You dip it in, put it in the hot oil. They come up crispy every single time.
What are we waiting for? Let's get this going.
Let's move it. Vamos. Let's do it. Rigora. My recipe has a half a cup of all-purpose flour. This is the batter, the mix. We need a quarter cup of cornstarch. I need a teaspoon of baking powder, some salt, teaspoon, and we have fresh ground black pepper, teaspoon, and then a half teaspoon of sugar. White sugar, turbinado, brown sugar, it's all the same. It's gonna help with the color, the caramelization of our flour mix. We're gonna mix that up. I have one zucchini, one mandolin. I'm gonna put it at number 2, okay? And you can multiply this recipe double, 3 times, depending which zucchini you want to use. That's about the thickness you got going on there. What's that, about 1/8 of an inch? When you're frying at home, whatever frying vessel you're using, you don't want to go more than 1/3 up of whatever the vessel is. So if your pan is 3 inches, you want to go, let's say 1 inch. I've got this at a medium high right now.
Go for it.
Our oil is almost ready to go, so we can fry up our zucchini. And we have to make our batter, which is going to make them nice and crispy. So we need about 3/4 of a cup of sparkling water, 1 teaspoon of the vinegar, white or red wine vinegar, either or. That's to help with the crispiness, okay?
Okay.
Now, here we go. Just gradual. You can have best results if you have your club soda water cold. Mix that good. Make sure there's no lumps. It's a thinnish batter, but don't be alarmed. It's going to stick. You're going to see how nice and crispy it becomes, okay? All right, let's go check on our oil. And here's a little tip for you folks. If you want to see if your oil's hot enough to fry, you're going to get the handle side of a wooden spoon and you stick it inside your oil. If you see that it's bubbling as it is right now, that tells you your oil's ready to go. Do not crowd your pan with whatever you're frying, because if you add too much into your hot oil, you bring your temperature down too much, things actually going to boil. How do we know that our zucchini chips are ready? With the eye, when they're nice and golden.
Is it a fast process?
A couple of minutes. As you can see, they're starting to get some color, right?
Yes.
Shake off excess oil when you're straining and putting on your plate. See? Don't let that oil go on your paper plate. Now, let's do another batch. Sometimes they stick a bit, but that's all right. We're not gonna fry anymore, we're good. Season a little bit while they're still warm with a little bit of salt. That's it. Let's assemble our crispy zucchini chips. You can put a mound of tzatziki. We don't have some, but we have tiro kafteri. And this is your glue, all right? And we're making a nice zucchini tower. Fried zucchini tower, courtesy of Kalofagas. Try my zucchini chips.
Oh my gosh, they're so crispy.
Can you hear that?
Wow. These are really good, Peter.
Crispy, seasoned, okay. You can hear the crunch as we're eating them.
Cheers.
So, Yama.